I got my 20-yard dumpster. I've been looking forward to this. I got so much remodel junk to get rid of. I'm Ron Paulk, and this is the Smart Wood Shop. If you want to get a detailed set of plans to build a smart wood shop for yourself or one of the 3 Paulk Smart Benches, there's a link in the description of this video down below. Angela with AD Dumpster Rentals. So I got me a nice 20-yarder, and there's a drop-off and a pickup fee, and it includes 3 tons, so 6,000 pounds. And if I go over that, it's $79 a ton. So I think my cost to get this dropped off and picked up, including the 3 tons, is, I don't know, $350 or something like that. You just can't beat it. You can't haul stuff to the dump in your truck or rent trailers or anything. I started doing this more than a decade ago. I had my own dump trailer, custom built, and by the time I, paid for the dump trailer and then hauled it back and forth, wear and tear on my truck, I had to pay the tippage fee at the landfill. This was just way, way better just to rent these. And then I opened the door and I hand load them. So I stack them so that I don't just throw things in until the end. Angelo, thank you. Okay, I'll call you when we're done. If you like these videos, be sure to give me a thumbs up. It really helps to drive the algorithm so other people will find the channel. Also, subscribe and ring the bell so you'll know, YouTube will let you know when I put up a new video so you won't miss any of these. Hey, thanks for dropping into the Smart Wood Shop, now located in Florida. You stay safe and have a great day.